it was telling me, it was giving me an exception. So, but I put it in the try catch block and it went away. But for me, the whole code was not working as it is. I need to put it in a try catch block.
Okay. Why did you need to put it in a try catch block?
It was giving me an error. It was not compiling the code.
Okay. I have told you how to enter URL to application, how to open the web browsers. Okay. Today
Yeah.
I'll be also saying what is the syllabus. Okay. How to open web browser without setting the path. This is with version 4 we have done. Okay. I have told you how to
Mhm.
close the web browser.
Yeah.
Close and quit method also completed.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Entering URL to the application. No, this one not done. Correct?
No, we did it. Like
Entering
we
URL to the
opened
application.
Facebook.
Okay. Can we enter URL to the application without using protocol?
No.
No. Correct. Today I'll be saying you without using get method how we can do and what is the difference between this get and navigate method. Okay. But before that, you should know what is that. Okay. This is our web page which we are going to automate, correct or not? As we know, we are
Mm-hmm.
going to automate our web page. That means we are learning that now. Okay, this is our web page interface with the first line of code. With this line of code, what we are going to do? We are going to open our web browser. Yes, this is our browser which we are opening. After that,
Yeah.
using this get method, what we are going to do? We are entering any of the URL over here. Fine. These are the
Mm-hmm.
things what we are doing,
Yeah.
but apart from this is also a button is there, this is a button there, this is a button there. So we have to make access of all those things. This is there, minimize, maximize, full screen. These are some of the things there. We'll learn first. These all are the things we need to learn, then we'll go inside. Correct?
Correct.
Okay. Without using get method, how we are going to do, and what is the difference between get and navigate method. See here, we are using version 4, correct? See what is the difference, you will now get to know. I have opened Mintra. What is this thread dot slip method, Namrata?
Another like if we want to stay in that page for some time, then we can give the time duration in that.
If we want to pause the program, same thing.
Yeah. Yeah.
First, see what happens, then I tell you what is the difference. Mintra open. It will wait for 2 seconds.
Mm-hmm.
See, in the same tab, another Flipkart is open.
Okay.
Again, in the same tab, Netflix is open.
Mm-hmm.
Now, my question is I want to go from this Netflix to Mintra. How to go? Got my point? In the same
Yeah.
here, that means in the same tab, I have opened everything. From this Netflix, I want to go to Flipkart. I came back. Again, I want to go to Mintra. I again came back. Again, I want to go to Flipkart. I'm using these two options or not?
Yeah.
This one. Arrow back, arrow forward, click backward. This one I'm using, which is option is not present in our get method. Clear? For which instead of using get method, we will be using another method, that is our navigate method.
Navigate.
This is the difference. See, driver dot navigate to. That means this will go to this, then driver dot to. See, I have given the syllabus. I'm going as per the syllabus, okay? So that you can get a clarity what you are doing. See whether we are able
Yeah.
to open or not. Once we'll check it. Okay, got my point. That means the same thing, it is working as a get method or not.
Um, yeah. But
But
it is opening in the same tab, right?
yes, it is opening on the same tab only. I'm not opening in any new tab.
Yeah.
On the same tab only I'm opening. But now what I'll be doing,
Mm-hmm.
like my question is not that key. I'm not opening in the different tab. I know that. But what I want to do is in the same tab also, if I'm opening, I came from Myntra to
Yeah.
Netflix, Netflix to Flipkart. I won't again go back to Netflix. That means instead of entering the URL, I can use these two options. Click back, click
Yeah.
forward, click backward. I can use that two option.
Mm-hmm.
That two option is not
Mm-hmm.
present inside this get interface or get method, which is present inside our navigate method. See, driver dot navigate dot, instead of using URL, just we have used back. Even if I want to go back, the same thing. If again I want to go forward,
Okay.
navigate to forward. Again I want to come forward, then I want to do a refresh over there in the same page. This option, this is our refresh option. I want to do refresh. That means get method will help us to enter URL here. Back method will access to this arrow mark. Forward will access to this forward, like this arrow mark, and refresh will access to this option. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can we save these instances as well?
Sorry?
Can we save these instances? Like if we open Mintra, can we save whatever instance was there, like logged in,
Yeah,
and
you
we
can.
do back and forward?
Yes, you can.
Will it be in a different object? Like right now, we are just doing driver dot and opening that particular URL and then moving navigate. So is it like one of the instances I can hold in one of the variable or something?
In going forward in framework, we'll get to know that. I'll tell you.
Okay.
We can do.
Mhm.
See, it is moving backward, forward or not.
Yeah.
Got refreshed. Clear? This is
Yeah.
the difference. Okay. Just a minute.
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Sir, a small query.
Yeah.
So, just to scroll up in the program, just scroll up. Yeah, some of the information mentioned in the slash star, right? So, what does it mean? It
It's
won't execute?
commenting. I have commented that I'm not. See, actually, I have written this code to show you previously.
Yeah, okay.
Just I have commented this.
Uh-huh. So, just I know that when we mention double slash, then it won't be execute. So,
See,
similarly, I'm
there are
asking,
ways to do, two ways for commenting. One is like using double forward slash. One is like this. See, I'll
okay,
select all, control shift forward slash. It will omit. Con Again, I'll select all these things. Control shift backward slash. It will comment like this.
okay. So, command means it won't execute, right?
No, it won't execute.
Yeah, got it. Thank you.
Okay. Before going to these concepts, I'll tell you what is this driver, what is this navigate, this to method, backward, forward, everything I'll be telling you. Before that, we should know about some concept of Java. What is that? Okay. Can anyone say what is method overloading?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Say.
Okay, suppose we have the same method there, and we are applying the same formula arguments.
Hmm.
So we have to change the order of the formula argument.
Hmm.
Like suppose we are using int a and int b. So in the second method of the same name, we have to use a different order or the different data type.
Okay. Okay. What is method overriding?
So parent class, child class can inherit the properties and method of parent class.
Okay. What is the rule of method overriding? Get to know all those things. Okay. What is method overloading? Overriding. Those who know, that's good. Those who don't know, once go try to learn this today. Okay. What is method overloading? What is method overriding? And rules of method override. Fine. These are the things which you learn. Okay. What happens here is, uh, what is this driver, Namrata?
Inst instance
Hmm.
of the our browser.
No, no. These are the
Object
reference
reference.
Reference variable. Okay.
reference variable of
WebDriver.
here.
Sir, hello. Sir,
Yeah.
driver is object reference of your driver, right?
Sorry.
Driver is object reference of your driver, right?
Reference variable of, that is not object reference. Reference variable we say. Reference variable of WebDriver. Okay. Okay. Now, what is this navigate method? This nav. It is for all. Okay. This first one, second, third, and fourth. This is for all. I'm saying. Navigate is your abstract method present inside your web driver interface. Return type is your navigation interface. Return type is your navigation interface, and this refresh, forward, back, and to, only these two will be taking a string as a string URL as argument. This method will be only taking string URL as argument, and all these two back, forward, and refresh methods are abstract method present inside navigation interface return type is void. Okay, clear? Clear up to this? Any doubts?
No.
Fine. But I am having a doubt. No one asked me. What is method chaining then? What is this method chaining? Because see here, like driver dot navigate dot to, that means I have written two methods here or not. This is the process of method chaining in Java. Now say me, what do you mean by this method chaining? Can anyone say what is method chaining? I said I'll be small concept which is related to Java. Everything I'll be completing here.
I think the output of the first method act as input of second method.
Correct. Calling a method on a reference of either a class or an interface is referred by get previous or in making it more simplify also we can say like this. This is one point we can say this, or calling a method by the return type of the previous method. Got my point? Anything we can say. Yes. I have called a method. It's a, this driver is our interface. I'm calling this navigate method. That means with the reference of an interface, I'm calling navigate method. And this return type of this navigate method is our navigate interface. Again, I'm calling a method of navigation interface. That means this two method is the return type of this navigation or not. That means this two method is present inside this navigation or not. That means calling a method by the return type of the previous method or calling a method on a reference of either a class or an interface is referred by immediate previous method. Any of the two statement you can give. Clear up to this? Respond is, are you clear or doubt?
Yep. Yeah.
Okay. Now we will come to the main thing, that is what is this differentiate between this get and navigate method. Got my like what I want to say, you got this?
Mhm.
Okay, what is the differentiate between this get and navigate method?
Using navigate, we can switch between like we can use the forward and backward button or refresh any other buttons.
Correct.
for the browsers.
Yes.
In the get method, we can only fetch the details, but we can't navigate from one to another.
Yes. In get method, we can only application for clear up to this. Done. You can take down all those things. Quick. Done.
Yeah.
Fine. Do you want to take this? Take this program also. Quick. Done.
Yeah.
Up to this completed. Clear? Perform navigation operations. What is method chaining? What is get and navigate method? Everything I have completed. Okay. Now it comes as how to get a title of a web page and how to verify the title of a web page. Difference between equals and contents equals the current URL. Okay, fine. Before going to that, I'll tell you some concept of Java you should know. That is of string. Okay, there I'll tell you. Okay. Who is doing all these things? Okay. What I'll be doing is we'll know what is the title of this web page. Clear? So okay. This is the title of this web page. Now what I'll be doing, I'll verify that whether I'm getting the correct title or not. That means string expected. This is the expected title. Clear? That means if I'll open this URL, I'll get title as this. Okay. That means here what I'll do, I will fetch the title from the web page and I'll validate whether it is matching with this expected title or not. Clear? I'll be using a method called as driver.get title method. Actual that means using this method after opening this browser, that in first line what I did, I have opened the Chrome browser, correct? This one is my input, which is like previously I'm having this data that I'll be verifying that whether this is matching with the title which is present or not. In 12 number name, I have opened Chrome browser. Then using get method, I have put Netflix URL. Then I'm trying to fetch title and storing it in a reference variable called as actual title. See, this is my actual title. Now say me how to validate it using Java. How we are going to compare two string values in Java?
Using that string compare method.
Yeah.
Equals to.
On that day, see here, I have told you no that try to learn about these methods. I have told you no on that day. I'll be telling about all these three, one, two, three, four. These four methods I'll be telling about today. Also, this length method also we can say. Clear? I'll be telling you all those methods. Fine. And I'm using conditional statement. No, not conditional statement. That is if else block. Using that, I'll check. Okay. See. If okay. As you can see, it is a string. This reference variable is a string or not? And this reference variable is also a string. Clear?
Yes.
That means we will be using the methods of which class? String class. And these are the methods which help us to like compare two string value. Clear? These are the
Yes.
methods which help us to compare two string values. But I'll tell you the what is the difference of those things. Okay. Now expected title dot equals actual title. This is the first method. Okay. Equals actual title. Title is matching, else is not matching. Okay, what will be the answer?
Wow. Yeah.
Title, title is matching or
Wow.
not matching. What will be the answer?
Bhago, bhago, bhago.
Title is matching.
Correct. See. See, we got the answer, and this is the title which we are fetching. I've shown you two things. This is the actual title. That means the title which I want to fetch is this, and I'm validating with the this expected title, and this title is matching. Clear up to this? Now what I want to do is, see, this is your equals method. For example, in this, I cut this. Now what will be the answer? Title is matching or not matching? Quick.
Not matching.
Title is not matching. Fine. This is one condition. For example, I'll write like this, capital N to small n. Now, matching or not matching?
Not
See,
matching.
these are the parameters or condition of this equals method which I am showing you with respect to Java. Okay. Title is not matching. That means what we got to know about this equals method?
Uppercase should be same
Correct.
as the
Equals method is used to validate two string values, and equals method will help us in validating the entire text value, not the partial text value. First. Second, equals method is case sensitive. It is not going to accept small letter. It is not going to accept capital. If it is capital, it should validate with the capital letter. If it is small, it is going to validate with the small letter. Clear up to this equals method? Got my point? Next. Then we'll go with equal ignore case. The same thing what I'll do, I'll just change the method to equal ignore case. Okay. Yes. What will be the answer? Title is matching or not matching?
matching.
In the first condition, it is matching because this value is matching with the actual text value. Okay. What I'll do, I'll change this to small letter. Now it is matching or not matching?
Match.
Why?
Right now it is not case sensitive.
Correct. Equals ignore case is C. Title is matching. That means equal ignore case is not case sensitive. Clear? Now, I'll cut this. Matching or not matching? Now it will match or not match? It will not match because equal ignore case will also take the entire text value, but it is not case sensitive. Equal ignore case will take the entire text value and match with the text value which is present. But this method is not case sensitive. If it is small letter also it will take. If it is capital letter also it will take. Got the difference between this equals and equal ignore case? Then comes your contents and contents equals. Both are same type. See, I'll say. What will happen with this contents method? I'll cut this. I'll only write as Netflix and I'll check. It will match or not? Like text title is matching will come or not?
It will match.
Yes, because it is going to take partial text value. See, title is matching. But still then I want to convert it to small letter. It will throw as not matching because this is also case sensitive. Title is not matching. That means contents and contents equals both will take this contents and content equals both will take your case sensitive value. Both are sorry, both the methods are case sensitive and it is going to take your partial text value. Clear up to this? Got my point? No. I want to I'll tell you this length method. What is this length method? What is this? Two uppercase, two lowercase. I'll tell is empty replace. Going forward, you will get to know. Now, this is the actual title is present or expected. Anything is present. I want to count how many number of characters are present here. Right as expected title or actual title anything dot length.
Could you please explain the contains method once again?
Sorry.
Could you please explain the contains method once again?
Contents method, see, this contents method will take partial text value, not mandatory that we have to take the entire text value. And this contents method will take that partial text value, but it is case sensitive. If it is with capital letter, it should be with the capital letter. If it is with
Okay.
small letter, it should be with the small letter. That means this content method is case sensitive, but it will take the partial text value. Equals method is also case sensitive, but it will take entire text value. Equal ignore case is not case sensitive, but it will take entire text value.
Understood, sir. Thank you.
I want to fetch the how many characters are present instead of what is the length of this entire text which is present. Using length method, we can fetch. See. Got? Clear? I want to convert all these to capital letter or small letter. We can use a method dot two lowercase to uppercase. Get both the difference over there. See, two lowercase has converted everything to, you can see here, N is capital, I is capital, W is capital. But what I have did, like two lowercase, that means whatever the text value present inside that, converted to lowercase or not. Two uppercase, that means what are the text value it is there, everything is converted to your capital letter. Clear up to this? All the things of string is completed here. Moreover, up to this it is completed. Got my point? Take down this. Guys, you are getting or not what I am teaching?
Yes, sir.
But no one is responding. That's why I'm asking.
Sir, totally getting, sir.
Fine. Okay, done. See. What is method chain completed? Like perform title, verify the title, equals contents
Wow.
equals, everything has been completed. Done. Now we'll check how to get the current URL. The same way you have to
Okay.
validate using if else condition. Okay. So if else block, using this if else block, you have to validate. Clear? Now, how to get the current URL of a web page? See. Okay, one thing I left out. Just a minute. Okay, this driver is your reference variable. Get title is a abstract method. Present inside your web driver interface. Return type is string. Done? Note down this. Quick. Okay, clear up to this? Next we will see the current URL of a web page. Okay, this is the URL we should get in our console, correct or not? After opening the browser, driver dot get current URL. See, you got the URL, what you have entered here? Clear up to this? Say something, guys. Sleeping or what, everyone?
Yes, sir,
Yes,
understood.
got it.
So now we didn't get the current URL.
Just note down this. Take down this program. Done?
Done.
Okay.
Yes.
Then how to maximize a web browser or how to minimize a web browser, opening the web browser in full screen. Okay. These are the three things which I'll be telling you now. See, maximize, minimize means this one we are going to do. See, first get completed here, get navigate, then these three completed. Okay, close and quit completed. Now these two, maximize, minimize, and we have fetched the title, we have fetched the URL. That means the upper part will be completed totally. Got my point? Now, see. Dot maximize driver dot manage dot window dot. This is what method chaining or not?
Yes.
Yeah.
Got the concept? Previously I told you what is method chaining and all those. This is your method chaining. Okay, just I'll tell you what is that. Condensing. Maximize means it is opening half, it will open. See, it is
Full
opening
screen.
this, it will open with maximize mode. This one will be clicked automatically. Got my point? This is your
Yeah.
maximizing. See, I'm using thread just to show you. Don't use thread everywhere, okay? Just I'm using these threads because to show you the execution part.
Sir, if we not use the thread, then it will give the I'm not robot page.
No, it is not going to give you anything. A topic I'll be teaching you about synchronization. Okay, there
Okay.
you'll get to know where to use thread because going forward, Selenium is having its own methods. The thread is for only Java. If we are using thread everywhere, no, it is going to consume a lot of time. I'll be teaching you how to like overcome that. But for the timing, how I'm doing, no, I'm using thread each and everywhere. I'm using thread. Don't use that. I'm saying that if there is some no such element exception or something is coming like that, you can use thread. Only specific line of code you can use. But I am using thread here just to show you the execution part. See, what it will happen? It will maximize, then it will minimize. Minimize means this one will be executed. Okay. Maximize has been done. Clear up to this?
Yeah.
Fine. Now for maximize completed, for minimize completed. Okay.
అవును నువ్వు అవుతున్నావు.
Okay. Now driver dot will not able to access this down one. Clear? This is a full screen that text bar, scroll, anything you can see. The down one and all those things. Got my point?
Yeah.
నువ్వు ఎవడా అతని మమ్మీకి
What are these methods?
అదేమిటి అక్కడ కాదు మా దగ్గర పాప కాదు చక్క అవు అమ్మమ్మకి ఇది అమ్మకి क्या तू ही का
Manages your abstract. Third. Content setter. Options. Interface. Interface. So abstract method. Present inside Windows interface. And type is clear up to this. These are the things which we have used. Take down this quick. Done. Okay. Take down these programs. Clear? Clear up to this? Okay. Anyone is having any doubts? Any doubts? Anything?
Yes, in my system, I created a Java folder, a Java project, and then I attached the jar files, Selenium jar files folder, and then the driver.
Okay.
But when I'm trying to write the code using saying that WebDriver driver is equal to new Chrome driver, it is showing me the error.
That means you have done something configuration wrong.
Okay.
You have to check with the build path.
Correct me if I'm wrong. Like we have to attach the jar files and driver folder to SRC, right?
You have to attach not the driver folder, you have to attach jar file to your build path. That is your source folder.
Could you please like show me like quickly like if possible?
It is there no library folder. I am having my jar file. You have to go to
Okay.
project, right click,
Mhm.
build path,
Configure this one.
configure build path, click on this libraries, click on this class. Like if this one is present on your module path, just
Mhm.
remove that and click on this class path, add external jars where it is
Okay.
downloaded or where it we have kept. Go to the
Okay.
specific folder,
Okay.
open, apply and close. It will work for 200% sure.
But in the first class, you told like it is not required. It is only required to like attach the folder here directly.
No, I am not. Never ever I have said like that.
Okay, we have to configure the build path. It is mandatory.
Yeah, Don't
Okay.
use both the jar files at a time, I have said.
Okay.
But you have to configure one jar file to that, no? Or else how
Okay.
it will work.
Okay. Even though we place the folder here, we have to configure the build path
Yeah.
the library. Okay. Okay. Got it.
Okay, fine. Thank you, guys. Anyone is having any more doubts?
Sir, actually, if you don't mind, can you please share? I mean, we need configuration class once again, sir, because so many problems we are facing for installation of this softwares. So if
Okay.
you don't mind, if you provide any class, one more class in detail for configuration, then everyone can use that one, sir, because recording video is not yet posted.
Okay,
So
sure.
that's why we struck over there, sir, please.
Yeah, sure. Tomorrow morning I'll be doing that.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
It'll
Thank you so
take
much.
15 minutes. After that, we can continue the classes.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Okay. Anything more? Okay, guys. Bye-bye. Take
Yeah.
care.
Thank you.